Welcome back. My name is Brian Roschetzky. Thanks again for tuning in. Now, I wanted to show you what I got to see today while flying the drone at GigaTexas. This is just a quick sneak peek at what I really had to get out today. What it looks like here is the casting machine being mounted or welded onto the foundation, or being welded and worked on in some way. If anyone knows what's going on, that would be a perfect thing to throw down in the comments and let everyone know. This is exciting times here over GigaTexas, and I'm just excited to be able to bring this to you. I will have the full-length video coming out tomorrow morning, so check back again for that video. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you hit the bell notification, it'll notify you tomorrow morning when that video comes out. Thanks again for tuning in. Have a great day. And again, thanks so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and then bell notification so you'll be notified tomorrow morning when the next video comes out. Thanks to all my Patreons for your support. And don't forget, the best form of support is simply being here and watching. So thanks again. Have a great day.